Today we'll learn how to download Google Play Store apps on your PC or laptop. This offers a larger screen, improved performance, and better controls. It enhances the gaming experience with smoother graphics and easier navigation using a keyboard or mouse. To do this, head to this video description and click onto the link to download BlueStacks. It's an Android emulator that allows users to run Android apps and games on a PC, offering a larger screen and improved controls using a keyboard and mouse. Now onto the BlueStacks homepage, tap onto App Player to log into your Google Play Store. Head to System Apps and select on Play Store. Make sure to link your Gmail account, and once done, you want to head to the search bar and search for any application or game of your own choice. For any application downloaded here, will automatically get to your desktop. As you can see, I already downloaded Free Fire and Subway Runners. So guys, go ahead and download your apps. You don't have to worry about nothing. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.